When I got there, I immediately smelled an overwhelming smell of urine and feces. Walked around the house. The windows were duct taped. There were 20, 30 cats inside the house, 6 dogs, just stuff everywhere. Finally, she decided to go ahead and surrender 13 cats to Orange County Animal Services. She agreed that she was overwhelmed with the amount of animals that she had.
Basically, when I got onto the scene, I met with Orange County Sheriff's deputy. The reporter found a dead cat in her backyard. She looked over her back fence and seen a young man between the age of 11 to 12 holding a rifle. I asked the sheriff's deputy to go over and go with me to talk to the parents. Sometimes intervention with the parents, making them aware, will definitely stop the behavior. We like to intervene. It's been proven that if you intervene early, that you can stop other adult behaviors from happening with animal cruelty.
August of 2008, I responded to a cruelty of a dog. Upon arrival, I found a brown male chow, approximately 3 years old, named Chico. Chico's collar was embedded into his throat. After receiving some pertinent information that I needed for my case, I transported Chico back to Orange County Animal Services, where Dr. Ridgway performed surgery. And not only did Chico recover, but he was adopted by a very, very loving family.
Over the past several years, we've seen many different types of animal cruelty here, including animals that have been burned and animals that have been starved. We do everything we can to help the animals that come into the shelter to help them recover from these terrible conditions.
We need you, the citizens, to pick up the phone, call. The animals need you to be their voices. Pick up the phone, make the call, save a life.
Dogfighting and animal cruelty hurts more than animals.
It hurts our entire community.
Report it now.
Cruelty hurts.
Cruelty hurts.
Cruelty hurts.